Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how you can improve audio recording quality on OnePlus 13R. Firstly, go into Google Play Store, tap on search and search bar and install Dolby On app. Now once your installation has succeeded, you can open the app. We'll skip all of that, not now, no thanks. Now we can either start audio recording or a video recording. We'll just start a basic audio recording. So tap here, now grant access, and we can make a recording. I will also finish it very quickly just to show you how this app works. So now we'll head to our gallery, which is located near the bottom left corner of the screen, so right here. And here's the recording that I have just made. And if this icon is colorful, it means that audio is being played with effects of Dolby On app. But if you press on this switch and this icon turns gray, it means that audio is going to be played raw. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.